In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GitHub to Cursor AI Code Editor, step by step. First, open your browser and head to the Cursor Agents page. This is where Cursor centralizes its AI agent features and the integrations you'll need. Once you're there, click Create a Sample. This quickly spins up a starter workspace so you can access the connection flow without setting up a full project from scratch. Inside the sample, you'll see a prompt or field where you can type. Enter the word highlight, then press Enter to proceed. This step simply moves you forward in the interface, so you can reach the GitHub connection option. If the layout looks slightly different for you, don't worry, Cursor updates regularly. Just follow the on-screen guidance that mirrors these labels. Next, click Connect GitHub. You'll be redirected to GitHub's sign-in page. Choose Continue with Google if that's how your GitHub account is set up. This uses OAuth, which is a secure way to log in without sharing your password directly with Cursor. When Google asks for confirmation, click Continue to grant consent and return to GitHub's authorization screen. If you're prompted to create a GitHub account, click Create Account and complete the quick setup. Once you're signed in, you should see a screen asking to authorize Cursor. Click Authorize Cursor. This step allows Cursor to interact with your repositories as permitted, which is necessary for features like reading code and opening pull requests. You may then be asked to install the Cursor GitHub app. Click Install and Authorize. During this step, GitHub may offer options about which repositories are included. Select what fits your needs, keeping in mind you can adjust permissions later in GitHub's settings if required. After the installation completes, you'll be brought back to Cursor. Click Link Account to finalize the connection on the Cursor side. When the link is successful, click Close to exit the confirmation dialog. To verify everything is set up correctly, go to your Cursor dashboard and open Integrations. This is the central place to view your connected services. Then click Overview. You should see GitHub listed as connected, along with any relevant status messages. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page and confirm you're in the correct workspace or organization. That's it. You've connected GitHub to the Cursor AI Code Editor, unlocking seamless repository access, smarter code insights, and streamlined development.